Some pilots really exercise their worry beads trying to figure out how to enter a holding pattern. All right, settle down, big guy. It's going to be okay. Blow. But if you use the simple techniques we're going to give you, you'll find that holding pattern entries are really pretty easy. There are 3 different types of entries you can use to enter a holding pattern, and their names are actually pretty descriptive. They're called direct, parallel, and teardrop. Now, the type of entry you will use is based on where the tail of your aircraft is located when it passes over the holding fix. So let's take a holding pattern and divide it up into the 3 different types of entries. The way to divide up the holding pattern is to grab your pencil just like this. Well, actually, this is a crayon. They won't let me use any sharp objects here in the studio. And mine may be a little bigger and more massive than yours. Then you put your pencil down on the radial or bearing that forms the inbound leg. And you put the point of your pencil right on the fix and pretend like it's hinged there. As you can see, when you do that, the pencil can swing either up or down. And you want to swing the tail of your pencil into the holding pattern airspace, or up in this direction in this case. So if the holding pattern's on top of the line like it is here, swing the tail of the pencil up. Now, if the holding pattern were below the line here, then of course we would swing the tail of the pencil downward. Since this holding pattern is above the line, we're going to swing the tail of the pencil up. But how far? 70 degrees into the holding pattern airspace. And once we've got it up there at 70 degrees, then we know we started out here on the 09 or 0 radial, and we swung the tail of that up 70 degrees counterclockwise into the holding pattern airspace. And where did it end up? Well, the tail of the pencil ended up here on the 020 radial. Now, what do we do next? Simple. We take that pencil and we slide it through the other side of the fix, just like so. Now, the reciprocal of 020 is 200. Now we're on the 200 radial. And what we've done is we've used our pencil to create a diagonal dividing line through that holding pattern. On the side of that diagonal line, where the inbound leg and most of the holding pattern is located, well, that's the area for a direct entry.